My name is Madhushani. I wish all of you a very good morning and I warmly welcome the CEO, management and the board of directors. Within the next 10 to 15 minutes, I will be taking you through a business case of cloud computing. I would like to have your full attention for this presentation and to seek your initial approval and consent to introduce this new strategy to develop our business successfully. As you can see now on the screen, this presentation will be covering the very important areas as displayed. Purpose of the presentation. My main purpose of this business case is to provide best solution through cloud computing to the current requirement. I have gathered useful information to make you firmly decide on this technology without any suspicions. This business case will definitely be an advantage to the organization and guaranteed to gain your consent to implement the cloud computing. Introduction to the cloud computing. What you mean by cloud computing? I am sure you all are fully aware about it. In brief, cloud computing is a model which enables convenient on-demand network access that can be rapidly provisioned and released with minimum management effort or service provider interaction. Cloud model composed of essential characteristics, service models and deployment models. 5 primary characteristics or utilities of cloud computing are shown in this slide. Key service models and deployment models can be seen in this slide. Let's discuss the advantages. Reduced cost of IT ownership and operations would boost financial flexibility, permanently reducing the cost of IT ownership. Unify customer data, enabling customer centricity, will help to meet customer needs effectively and efficiently. Collaboration efficiency. Flexibility and adaptability of cloud boost the ability to respond to market change and address new and emerging opportunities and challenges. Business continuity. Rising flexibility and standardization facilitate easier and cheaper integration of new operations, acquisitions, and collaborative partnerships. Unlimited storage, availability of backup and recovery facility. Storing information in the cloud gives almost unlimited storage capacity. The disadvantages. Security and data privacy issues. As it is based under the maintenance and supervision of a third party, confidentiality and security measures could be arise. Possible downtime and technical issues. Due to the dependence on network connectivity, any failure can result in loss to the company by causing extensive time delays. Service lease agreement made with service providers should be carefully verified. Quality of service, which means a reliable service provider providing desired quality of service may be difficult to source. Now we will look at the cloud computing associated risk. First is the security risk. The state of preventing a system from vulnerable attacks is concerned at the system security. 7 important identity factors for risk in a cloud computing model are access, availability, network load, integrity, data security, data location, and data segregation. Privacy risk. Several complex privacy and confidentiality issues are associated with cloud computing because there are no laws that block a user from disclosing the information to the cloud providers. Finally, the consumer risk. The consumer should familiarize with the products before use and understand the risk involved. The infrastructure required for cloud computing. Well-architected cloud infrastructure should include 4 basic components. First is the scale units. When designing a cloud infrastructure, care should be taken to define the size of a scale unit. Next is the storage that would have several layers including storage layers, storage network, storage protocol, and for virtualization the file system utilizing the physical storage. Networking include 3 or more tiers such as core, distribution, and access. Finally, the virtualization platform. The decoupling of hardware, operating systems, data applications, and user state opens a wide range of options for optimal management and distribution of workload across the physical infrastructure. I will now explain few successful companies experienced with cloud computing. Cyprus Insurance. In an interview, Senior Vice President of Cyprus Insurance has stated that they have moved to cloud in order to become more efficient, be more competitive, and deliver products faster. United Property and Casualty Insurance Company. Director of IT has stated that being in the cloud has enabled them to meet their objectives such as file a claim electronically, being able to check billing and interact with customers in a real-time environment. As per the Chief Information Officer of Seven Corners, the agility and the flexibility of cloud infrastructure has helped them to deliver product faster, quickly identify the unproductive programs, and rapidly capitalize on success. This explained that different organizations have set different goals with cloud computing and how they have used cloud computing successfully. This will lead our management and the board of directors to take positive actions towards cloud computing for our organization. It is very important to implement best practices of cloud computing with the effective technology. Companies should be hand in hand with the latest security developments of cloud. By adding file caching capability to your computer as a backup for cloud services would be important in situations such as network breakdown or security breaks. You should keep up to date on any infrastructure or policy changes for your cloud service providers. Now we will look at financial analysis. It will help you to take positive decisions to approve this project. The first calculation has done by taking into consideration the base case. The base case includes the cost of capital at a rate of 10%. As you can see on the screen, I have worked out the payback period of 5 years and 1 month, net present value NPV of 1.46. I have also arrived at the internal rate of return IRR of 12% and a profitability index of 1.15. Detailed calculations can be found in the executive handout which I have sent along with. Then we will look at net cash flow. The recovery of the cash outflows of the projects are depicted in the graph. As per the graph, it takes 5 years and 1 month to recover the cash outflows of this project. Next is the sensitivity analysis. I have examined critical cost-benefit variables to analyze the viability of the project, taking into consideration the base case and 3 scenarios of additional 1% increment in cost of capital, 10% increment in initial cash outflows, and the last is 10% reduction in relevant benefits in year 1 to 6. I have arrived at NPV, IRR, payback period, and the profitability index for all these scenarios for a better comparison. In this slide, you can clearly see the graphs of NPV, IRR, payback period, and profitability index to have a clear understanding about the financial analysis. Now let me state my recommendations for sensitivity analysis. Based on the positive result of base case, it is recommended the management to accept this project as it has a favorable financial result. Based on the sensitivity analysis, it is advised the management to consider the impact of critical variables on the project. First scenario is a discount factor. Management should not finance the project at a cost of 12% as IRR is 12%. Thus should pursue better finance options. Second is change in initial cash outflow. The initial cost should not allow to increase more than 10% as it makes the NPV and IRR less attractive. Third scenario, relevant benefits should not allow to decrease as it makes the project not viable. Now let me state my recommendations of the scope of cloud to our insurance company. As number 1, there are absolute benefits of cloud computing to our company, management and the board of directors. It is my privilege to present you a viable business case at this contemporary business environment. I am confident that the management and the board of directors are in agreement to fund this project. Overall introduction of cloud computing could become a very important part for the company as it would enhance the customer service and competitive advantage. According to my base case analysis, this project is financially feasible. However, when taking decisions, management should strictly follow the guidelines in financial and sensitivity analysis. This project has minimal risk, which can be mitigated if managed properly with proper security systems. Finally, I will be looking forward for your support and approval for this project. Let me conclude by explaining the lessons that I have learned from this project. Careful management should be placed to minimize the impact of outages. Expectations of the project should be clearly defined. Take time to explain employees and customers the reasons behind the cloud implementation to get their fullest contribution. Test run with training is always important before implement to a whole process. and it is always advisable to keep a backup of the important information in our local server. Finally, cloud computing is cost neutral, but the benefits will transfer the cost into an investment in the long run. Thank you very much for your time and have a good day.